Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm going to analyze EUR this morning and see how it goes. We can see that on our daily time frame watch, we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. And also, price came to what? Price broke above this what? This resistance zone. This resistance zone. And price gave what? Break. Price broke that resistance zone to the upside. Definitely, according to what we are seeing, this USD is on what? Is an uptrend. Is in an uptrend. In an uptrend, we have a what? Series of what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher higher low. If you can watch very well, higher high. Now, this is the higher low now. You can see we are expecting what? Price to do what? Give us another high. That's our That's our series. That's what our buyers for today. We are still looking for what? More buy. Now let's begin to mark our key zone. Here, I don't need to mark everything, but let me show you. Let me start from this zone. This is a break of structure. This is a break of structure. Another break of structure. Another break of structure. Another break of structure. Now, here on a break of structure, here on our what? On our daily time frame. These are This is a first key zone here. This is a what? A fair value gap. Note guys, a fair value gap. Fair value gap. FVG. FVG. Look, let me change the color. Fair value gap. FVG. FVG. Now, if you can watch very well, we can mark this whole body as what? As another block, as another block. But this other block is too large because we have a very large fair value gap. So I don't think price is going to come down like that because we also have an inducement here. An inducement here. This is a liquidity price sweep. Then put a dollar sign. A liquidity. That's a liquidity that price sweep. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So here on our what? On our 4 hours. On our 4 hours. On our 4 hours. We can see that what? We have a what? We have a what? Other block here. Other block downward. We have other block there. We have other block there. We have other block there. So let's continue. Let's go to 2 hours. So price has mitigated this downward other block. So I don't think it will be more valid. So from this key level now, you can see that we have what? Let's go to 15 minutes and see it. Now, lower time frame confirmation now. Lower time frame confirmation. Lower time frame confirmation. Let me show you something, guys. On this, let me show you something. You can see that what this is a break of structure. One, there's a break of structure one. Oh, this is another break of structure to the downside on a 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute time frame, and what price change, character give us what market structure shifts to the upside. Can you see? Let me write it. Market structure shift, MSS. Market structure shift. So here now on the daily time frame, inside the daily time frame, fair value gap. Can you see now inside this daily time frame fair value gap? So we can mark out what our order block now. This is our order block. We're expecting price. We're expecting price to come to this is what this is our order block. We're expecting price to come to, guys. This is our order block. We're expecting price to come to, and what? Let me change the color. So I've changed the color. These are what 15 minutes OB order block. Can you see, guys? Can you see that? And if you can study, there is also what liquidity protecting this liquidity. These are our liquidity. The first fair value gap has created liquidity. Has engineered liquidity. So let me use the dollar sign. That's our inducement or liquidity or whatever you call it. So guys, we're expecting price to buy from this zone. Buy. Let's buy. Oh, sorry. From this zone. We're expecting price to buy from this zone. So our stop loss will be a little bit below, like this. So our take profit. Let's leave it here first. If you can see, this is like 1:5 risk to reward ratio. And note, apart of that, this is what a liquidity we are expecting price to clear. This is like a trend line liquidity. All this one is what engineer liquidity. It's also a liquidity. So guys, so we are expecting this USD to buy from this zone. Don't forget our extreme take profit. Let's go to our daily time frame. Our extreme take profit. Our extreme, our take profit is here. Sorry. Our take profit is what? Is here. Our take profit should be what? Should be here. Above here. Because you can see you still have an equal high here. So price will clear all this liquidity to the upside. This 1:24 risk to reward ratio. Don't play with this thing, guys. Thank you very much. So we are buying XAUSD. Apply proper risk management and don't risk what you cannot afford to lose. Thank you very much.